Copenhagen meeting that the LSTP country make a proposal to decrease the carbon, but the developed countries like India and China rejected it. And being the mountaineer, what efforts want to make, because within the 50 years the mountain of Himalayas are going to be naked, and what do you feel about it, and you think why didn't they sign on the proposal to decrease the carbon?
Well, I think most of these things are very politically connected. I don't know whether these decisions are really taken considering the environmental this thing, or they're just taken on political grounds. There are a lot of these things that we as youngsters probably don't understand, but definitely it is something that we will have to work on. They should sign it.
Adventure sports like mountaineering help us build confidence and face situations more bravely. It appears that you've always been a confident girl. So what are the other significant changes that you've experienced within yourself that you think is going to remain with you all your life? I mean, what are the qualities you developed through expedition and extreme sports?
Yes, I have always been very a confident person, but I would say I've always had ideas. I've always had the confidence to actually do something, but through adventure sports, I've got the platform to be heard. You know, I would have wanted to talk to you all even 2 years ago, but you wouldn't have been interested to listen to me. So what adventure or mountaineering has given to me today it has given me the ears of other people to listen to me. So I'd say they've put me up on a platform, and it's not. I mean, Everest is certainly the biggest thing that I did, and because of Everest, I'm doing the 7 summits. But it's been mountaineering in general that has given me those ears.
What is your plan for your future, that you will join these sectors or any other one?
Now it has come to a point where even if I really try, it's not going to go out of my life. And I don't want it to go out of my life at all. I will definitely work in this sector, but there are a lot of other things that I am interested in doing. I come from not a background, but I come from wanting to be a dancer, a choreographer, a fashion designer, a set designer. I have done it all. I have designed costumes, I have designed sets, I have choreographed pieces, I have performed all over India. So, and I don't want to leave that. So I'm thinking of how I can collaborate mountaineering and dance, which I have come up with certain ideas, and I will do that in the future. I want to make films on mountaineering. If you've seen Bollywood, you know, Himalayas are always used as a romantic scene. I am angry with that. I am frustrated with seeing the Himalayas as just a romantic thing. So I want to show the Himalayas as the adventure it actually portrays, and not just flying saris and running heroines. Other than that, I want to do psychology. I'm presently studying political science, but I plan to take a degree in psychology, and I want to study Indian mythology, why the sages stay at high altitudes, why monks have their monasteries at high altitudes, what is the difference between the way they think because they live at that altitude, why do Rishi Munis meditate at high altitude, and then, you know. So I want to study on Indian psychology and human psychology and connect the two in high altitude psychology. Do Yetis really exist, or is it just a hallucination, you know, stuff like that. I plan to join the army. Like, one of my things is I'll join the army. One of my things is I'll become a bureaucrat. I don't know, lots of things. So I don't have it planned, but definitely I will be in mountaineering for as long as I live. I will be connected to this sector, but I don't know, I don't have a plan.
कार्यक्रम हेरिदिनु भएकोमा यहाँलाई धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद दिन चाहन्छौं। फेरि एकचोटी सम्झाउन चाहन्छौं, रिमाइन्ड गराउन चाहन्छौं, युथ टिभी शो मेकिङ नेपाल प्राउड ग्लोबली लाइक टुडेज युथ एशियाले प्रोड्युस गरेको छ र यहाँको फिडब्याकको लागि हाम्रो ढोका सदैव खुल्ला छ। पठाउँदै गर्नुहोला mnpgtv@gmail.com, GPO 8975 EPC 5478 काठमाडौँ नेपाल। अर्को हप्ता फेरि भेट्नेछौं।